Welcome to Gen Motivation coming at you. I appreciate you coming to my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe because we always appreciate it. When you become an adult, it's the most amazing thing. What I mean by adult, when you become to a place where you accept responsibility and you got your own place, your own car, and you're paying for your own bills, and you're going to your 9 to 5 like a good grown up. You start buying things you start buying different things. And instead of you buying that new PS5 or those new Jordans that you've been wanting for so long, how about, especially during this time, you start buying yourself some lessons, buying yourself some classes, buying yourself some ebooks or some actual physical copy books. And let me let you on a little secret with me. I actually read my audiobooks with the physical copy. I do this for a few reasons, but one of them is that sometimes the writer of the book will actually read the audiobook. So he kind of gives you his impression on how he wants you to really picture the words or what he's describing to what he's trying to teach you in the book. He kind of gives his own tone, his own feel to it. I like that. Some people don't, but I actually do. That's a good thing to buy. When it comes to, that's more like, learning a new trade or furthering your financial gain. But when it comes to physical gain, buy yourself those brand new, good running shoes from New Balance or my favorite brand. I don't know if I'm gonna say this correctly, but AVX, I believe that's how you say it, or Asics. There it is, Asics. Buy yourself those brand new shoes from Asics or New Balance, so you can walk or run better. Get that yoga mat and pay for that yoga class that you've been wanting to do because you want to be more physically centered. Go out and pay for that spiritual cleansing class because you want to be spiritually centered and one with your body. Start paying for things as a grown-up, as a big grown-up that you are. Start paying for things that's going to further your life and give your life some more value. You do not need that third lunch of the day that costs you $20. How about you take that $20 and go buy a $20 book? Anyway, appreciate you coming by. I'll see you next time.